Ready to supercharge your Docusign templates and slash the time it takes to get documents signed. First, head over to Docusign and click on the Templates tab. This is where the magic happens if you already have a template. Select it. If not, upload your document and create a new template. We will be loading the fields onto this. Now, on the left side, you'll see a toolbox packed with different field types. You've got signature fields, text boxes for names and addresses, date pickers, checkboxes, and so much more. Take a look at all the choices. Simply click and drag the field you need directly onto your document where you want the signer to take action. Drag a signature field near the place where a customer needs to sign. Once you've placed a field, you can customize it, define who needs to fill it out by assigning a recipient, and mark it as required to ensure no information is missed. Continue adding all the necessary fields to your document. Pay attention to the placement and alignment to create a clean, professional look. Once you're happy with your field placements, click Save and close. Your template is now ready to be used. You have just made a reusable template. Now you can send documents out for signature faster, with the fields already perfectly placed for a smooth signing experience.